The Siberian Husky is a medium-sized dog breed that originated in northeastern Asia. They were originally bred by the Chukchi people for use as sled dogs, and were later imported to Alaska during the known gold rush to be used as sled dogs. They are known for their thick, fluffy coat, which helps them tolerate cold temperatures, and their distinctive facial markings, which include a thick mask around the eyes. They are also known for their high energy and strong prey drive, and require plenty of exercise and training. They are friendly, outgoing dogs that make good family pets, but can be stubborn and difficult to train if not properly socialized and exercised.